I really feel privileged to be standing in front of such a ludicrous crowd, and I wish to start myself by introducing myself. My name is Piyush Jain, and we are all here to witness the amazing and beautiful presentation of these kids. I am the director of UCMAS for Central India, for Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh region, under the company Abacus Talent LLP, master franchisee for Nagpur region and Chhattisgarh. We are here for a mission. The mission is Har Har Abacus, and let us try to make better, brighter and sharper brains with the help of UCMAS. Friends, UCMAS is the leading abacus education company of the entire world, which started in 1993. Actually, UCMAS actually restarted the idea of abacus learning and tried to connect it with the cognitive mechanism, the cognitive learning skills. And in 1999, it started in India. This is the amazing global network of India, which is present in over 85 countries. There are so many distinguished recognitions for the brand of UCMAS. We have got Limca Book of World Records, we have got India Book of World Records, Asia Book of World Records, and many others, along with even the Guinness Book of World Records. And one of our students, one of the many students who have achieved many world records in mathematics and other sectors, one of our students named Jasraj Singh, he is a student of the center owned by Tansy ma'am, and he was actually appreciated for his amazing feat by the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh. In fact, you might actually be able to better understand this idea, this concept of abacus education with the help of research that was done. Many researches were done on abacus education, right from the University of Stanford, Harvard, California, MIT, Sudanese universities, and many other universities. There is a separate research conducted on students in Sudan, resulted in a net gain of 7.11 IQ for the students who took part in this program and finished it. UCMAS training program is a legitimate brain training program. UCMAS children become motivated learners as they acquire a unique lifelong skill which gives them a superior standing over others in their grade and age. This program stimulates both the right brains and the left brain of the students, and we have a unique research-based six-finger technique which helps the students become even fast. What makes the UCMAS program unique? It enhances the mental mathematics capability, memory power, concentration, photographic imagination, time management, writing skills, logic, reasoning, and many more. And all these things I will be able to justify with the help of the performance you will see of my students soon. But here, why we are particularly prominently want to talk about UCMAS in this program and this setup is because UCMAS in Central Region, which we are heading, we also run a group of schools in Vidarbha, and we have actually specially prepared a school-based UCMAS Abacus program. And this Abacus program, school-based UCMAS Abacus program, is unique in the way in which we can actually implement this entire program in the school curriculum itself. And it's very easy, it's very convenient for the students, as well as this module is convenient for all kinds of school. whether irrespective of their location, whether they be in town or cities or in villages, whether they be of any type of fee structure, whether they be of any type of board, any type of language, which is the medium for the students. It doesn't matter. We are flexible and we are very, very open to any kind of customizations for the schools. And along with it, not only the performance of the students improve, but also the footfall for your school gets improved because you're linked with an international brand. Imagine all your school students with enhanced focus in studies, retention, recalling capacity, excellent arithmetic skills, unbelievable arithmetic skills in fact, multitasking, problem solving, sharper listening skills, sharper observational skills, enhanced visual learning capability, and all these things will definitely improve their self-confidence. So let us see a jhalak of our students' abilities. I would like to request for a few mics. मुझे दीजिएगा माइक चाहिए कॉर्डलेस माइक्स यस दैट मींस प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज So all these little children here in front of all the management of the schools, the principals of the schools, and let us see what they can do. So let us start with asking them really simple questions, and I have an urgent request with you to take out your mobile phones, not to take videos of these, you might be able to get these videos anywhere, but to start your calculator applications and join these students in calculating these answers. Okay, ready? All these students are from various different levels. These two students of our individual centers. So, students ready? First question. 25 plus 65 plus 35 plus 14 plus 72 plus 57 plus 24 plus 57 plus 64 plus 42, that is 455 is the right answer. If you are unable to guess what is happening here, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, ये बच्चे mentally mathematics solve कर रहे हैं, and not just that, अभी 5 मिनट पहले हम जब बाहर निकले के A17 जो हमारा स्टॉल नंबर है, वहाँ पर जब हम इनके साथ में प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहे थे, तो वहाँ उसी के साथ में ये सारे के सारे बच्चे पीछे में बैकग्राउंड में बहुत सारा शोर, बहुत सारी डिफिकल्टी इनको सुनने में, आजू बाजू में इनका लूडो का एक गेम पीछे रखा हुआ है, इसको बताइएगा मत, वो वहाँ खेलने में व्यस्त थे, लेकिन जब मैंने इनसे क्वेश्चंस पूछना चालू किया, their concentration immediately picked up and they started getting on with me. चलिए एक और क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं इनसे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 2 डिजिट का 10 रोज का क्वेश्चन, मतलब 10 नंबर्स का एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन मैंने पूछा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन रहेगा 3 डिजिट के 5 रोज का क्वेश्चन. Okay, I have a book full of questions because even I am not as fast as these students. So I will select a random question among these. Ready बच्चों? 3 digit 5 rows. Okay? सब लोगों को ट्राई करना है. आप लोगों के लेवल्स अलग अलग हैं. कुछ को 3 digit शुरू नहीं हुआ है, but still आप लोग ट्राई करिए. Okay? Start. 533, 166, 174, 165. And 717, that is 1755. राइट आंसर। अगर आप लोगों में से किसी ने भी इस आंसर का जवाब अपने कैलकुलेटर पे नहीं निकाला होगा तो ही तालियां बजाना। अगर आप लोग सब निकाल पाए हैं, इसकी स्पीड कैचअप कर पाए ऑन योर कैलकुलेटर्स, ठीक है, तो तालियां नहीं बजाएंगे तो चलेगा। अगर मैं मानूं कि आप सभी लोग इनको कैलकुलेटर्स पे कंप्लीट कर पाए, राइट, तो फिर तालियां बनती है हमारे बच्चों के लिए। अब एक और अलग क्वेश्चन मैं इनसे पूछ रहा हूँ, थोड़ा डिफरेंट टाइप का क्वेश्चन है, इनके लिए भी शायद ये एक्सपेरिमेंटल क्वेश्चन है। फास्ट स्पीड में वन डिजिट के एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन। एक क्वेश्चन में साथ ही साथ आपके लिए पहले देना चाहता हूँ सो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं। Let me ask you a simple one digit का 5 numbers का addition subtraction questions and I request all of you to answer me, ठीक है? 6 plus 2 plus 3 minus 1 plus 4 that is 14, that is absolutely correct। चलिए सर एक बार फिर से मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, क्वेश्चन will be different, आप देखिए आप इन बच्चों को कैसे compete कर सकते हैं, right? Ready? 7, 1, 8, minus 2, 3, minus 6, 9, 4. That is. Sir, correct है? Anyone? तालियां तो बजनी चाहिए। Now this performance, ये performance जो है, ये आपको जो performance basically दिख रहा है mathematics का, this is not limited to mathematics, it's limited to, it expands to the cognitive skills of the students which gets improved with the help of UCMS. Basically photographic memory को लोग यहाँ पर use कर रहे हैं। Let me give you an example of that too। बच्चा सब लोग अपने abacus को, mental abacus को activate करना है, ओके, वो दिखाना है, hand movement करना है, ओके। चलिए, ready? 7, 2, minus 3, 1, minus 5, that is। So this was a very simple question, लेकिन वो लोग mental math use नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो लोग mentally fast math कैसे कर सकते हैं, उन्होंने वो नहीं सीखा है, वो abacus picture कर पा रहे हैं और उसको move कर पा रहे हैं, उसको use कर पा रहे हैं। And this improvement in imagination is one of the most important things of UCMS। Photographic imagination का improve होता है। लेकिन मैं audience में से अब एक और आप लोगों से क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूँ। If anyone can give me a 2-digit number, any 2-digit number। 89, okay, anyone, 89 का table, yes।
89, 178, 267, 356, 445, 534, 623, 711, 800, 801, 890, 979, 1168, 1257.
Unless you clap, you won't stop। If you have already got this 890 से आगे वो बच्चा जा चुका है, उसको रुकने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप और हम शायद, मैं तो एक्चुअली बहुत लेट समझ पाया कि रिपीटेड एडिशन इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ये बच्चे ने समझ लिया है, यू स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट। लेकिन अब आप लोगों को ये जरूर लग रहा होगा, चलो ये ट्राई करते हैं कि रैंडम क्वेश्चंस कर सकते हैं। चलो रैंडम मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्वेश्चंस, ओके। 67 into 9, 603 is the right answer। एक और क्वेश्चन है सर, कोई भी 2 डिजिट का नंबर, एनीवन प्लीज। 36 into 8,
296.
296 is the correct answer। So let's have a big round of applause for these students again। Okay, sorry, someone said a number 288, okay। मैं इसीलिए नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ because I am not that, yes that's good, because कभी कभी ये mistakes कर देते हैं, गलतियाँ हैं, बच्चे हैं, but the point is the way they activate their cognitive skills is amazing। but एक और last part आपको मैं दिखा करके आज का मेरा presentation मैं finish कर रहा हूँ। let us have a 2-digit number 37 मैंने सुना था, let us have the table of 37, but let us have this table in reverse order। anyone? हमारे हाई लेवल के जो बच्चे हैं, yes, बोलो। 370, 37,
370, 333, 296, 259, 222, 185, 148, 111, 74, 37, please।
you so much for your amazing time, and we really appreciate if you could visit us. Our stall number is A17. हम लोग schools में regularly और बहुत consistently अच्छे results दे रहे हैं. रायपुर में ही हम लोग काफ़ी सारे schools के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. वैसे ही अलग-अलग areas में छत्तीसगढ़ और उधर में भी बहुत सारे schools के साथ हम लोग already जुड़े हुए हैं. Thank you so much. और आप लोग बच्चों से स्टॉल पे आकर के भी अपने लेवल पे क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं. ये बच्चे आज हमारे साथ पूरे दिन अवेलेबल हैं. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, Team UC Mass. God bless you with great stage